Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Jumping right into this shirt fail. I got this Avery light fabric transfer paper off of Amazon. And as always, I always use my HP printer and I put it on glossy paper setting. However, I did this 3 freaking times because this is the actual color of the image that I was going for from the design that I did in Canva. I didn't change the settings. None of that, y'all. I don't know why it came out this darker purple looking color, but yeah, it was just not working out from this point here. But I still continue to make more just to see. And I was just like, I'm not finna do this over. So let me just go ahead and just use these. Because anybody who makes shirts, they know that it uses a lot of ink. Every time I'm making these shirts, I'm making sure I have that ink on deck. My ink was fully stocked, and these are the different colors that it gave me with the same settings for all of them. I went to purchase these Gildan shirts from Hobby Lobby. I only purchased 2 shirts because they're for my 2 daughters, because my 3rd daughter, this is actually her safari themed birthday party. Make sure y'all go ahead and check out them other videos as well. This is the red flag, the biggest right here. As y'all can see, I'm doing this with the iron like I normally do. And I told y'all I like to use different papers just to see, but I definitely do know what paper works best for my printer, the ink, the whole jazz, okay? So, as y'all can see, why is this freaking backwards? Y'all, I went and read the directions to make sure I wasn't tripping, but it never said anything about flipping the image or anything. But I feel like if you could flip the image, you could probably make this paper work. The pros about using this, it actually looks like the shirt came like this, and it doesn't have like that white border. But we pretty much made it work, y'all. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comments, and check out those other videos and subscribe if you're new. Thank you for returning. Bye.